Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, not in today's news paper of Saturday September the 21st. Told you in this Saturday edition we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper, Friday September 23rd 2022, and we have one puzzle left because I've done two puzzles before for today, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. It's time now for the Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, and in Japanese Suguru. Yes, and this will be number 5225. Yeah, 5225. 5225. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard one has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, and it's also indicated with 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So let me see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here one single box, and this one is the second one. Single boxes are always a 1. Okay. Dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. One dual box. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Well, not true. We have only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, those 2 boxes are the 2 and the 3. The 1 is already filled in. Okay. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already filled in. The 4, okay. Then the following question, quadra boxes. I see here only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction. For example, we have the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape there. When you see the T shape, remember the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotated. Or 180 degrees, yes. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Wow, a lot of this kind of shapes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. L shape. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have here only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come on. It's taking too long. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So here can be 2, and those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. All right. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there, but I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not an option to place the 2 there. The 2 should be here. And this box is an important box because it's connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And also connected with this box should be also a 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So this box can be 2 anymore, okay. Then. Let me see. Well. Yeah. This box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 3 anymore because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, then. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, okay. So, yeah, need to think. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, think. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 4, so the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and 4, but I've marked those two boxes with a double 4. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes, so the 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this W area shape for number 3. Okay. Then. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, I should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, and this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, so this box cannot be 4 or a 5, because we have a double 4 there and double 5 there, so the 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore, this box, so the 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. Alright. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5, let me mark those two boxes. 1 and a 5, okay. Then, yeah, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 1, or those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here, so it's not a solution, place the 1 there. And these 3 boxes surrounding 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 it goes there. I think wait. Okay. 3. Well, these two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4, I should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4, I should be there. This box can be A5, that box can be A5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there in this area. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. But also that box is connected with this box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. That means that this box can't be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, we have a double 2 there. Then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. Let me mark those 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 4 and 1, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 and a 5. No. 1 and a 5. Correction. 1 and a 5. So we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow, not faster. Little bit slower than I expected. So it's not really a 1 star. Well, need to think. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, sometimes you need more time. You need to think. So let me indicate this with a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow on Sunday. Yeah, if I have the spare time, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, a.k.a. quintuplet. Until then, bye-bye for now.